Hello YouTube, my name is Froilan and welcome to another episode of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today I'm gonna give you my top 5 sneaker releases for the second half of September, so stick around. This month of September is turning out to be a very good month for sneaker releases. Just last weekend alone, there's a lot of really hype releases. And this last 2 weeks of September won't be any different. There's going to be a lot of Yeezys, Nikes releasing this next 2 weeks. For my fifth pick, it's gonna release on September 19. It's the Nike Sakai Blazer High. And there's gonna be two colorways releasing on the 19th. It's gonna be the black and white one and the white and gray one. So I'm leaning towards the white and gray one simply because it's a more simple colorway. When you're looking from afar, you won't see the details right away. But when you get close, the details will just pop out. And I think it's a lot, it's gonna be easy to match with your current wardrobe. So I'm picking that one. For my fourth pick, it's gonna release on September 18. It's gonna be the Adidas Yeezy Power Face, and they're gonna release 3 colorways. All of them are earth tones, and from what I saw in the pictures, it's gonna be made out of suede material. Anyway, the colorways are quiet gray, simple brown, and clear brown. So if you look at the picture, it's gonna be like almost similar colors. But I don't know on hand. But from what I saw, I'm leaning towards the quiet gray colorway. For my third pick, and it's releasing on September 28th, it's gonna be the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V2 in the hospital blue colorway. So this one, I think the tonal colorways suits the V2 more than the V1. And I think this colorway is not bad. First look, it's gonna be like a V2 sole. But I think there's it's a different shade of gray. The hospital blue is a bluish shade of gray, and the salt is like a greenish tone. So I think, yeah, the tonal colorways suits the V2 more, and the color blocking style suits the V1 more. And it's gonna be from what we experience. The pictures are a little different when you see them on hand. So let's see what we get from Yeezy this time. For my second pick, it's gonna release on September 21st. It's a collaboration between New Balance and Red Wing. Red Wing is a boot manufacturer from the US, and it's gonna be on a 997 model. So it's gonna be an all tan colorway. It's a tonal colorway, and there's gonna be some contrast stitching. And from the pictures I saw, it looks very premium. And if they use the same leathers that Red Wing uses, it's gonna be really, really good. And I think I might have to join some raffles for this one. And for my first pick, and it's also releasing on September 21st, it's the Asics Gel Kit OG. The colorway is white, silver, hits of black and red. And this silhouette or this kind of running shoes are bringing a lot of memories from the early 2000s. At that time, most of the shoe manufacturer uses this mesh material with the big vent holes as their primary material for running shoes from Asics, New Balance, Mizuno, Nike. They use this mesh material. And since the introduction of the knits or mesh, a thinner mesh with smaller holes, they stopped using this material. But I think this kind of material brings a very good aesthetic for a performance running shoe. I'm not sure if this particular model, the Gel Kit, will still perform like as good or better than the current line of running shoes. But for lifestyle, I think this is a very good look. And I think from what I saw in the high fashion or the designers, their next step is to go towards this direction. I think they're bringing this kind of aesthetic or silhouette to the market next. And that's my top 5 pick for the second half of September. I hope you like them. I'm really eyeing my first and second picks. And I might just join some raffles on those. Anyway, I hope you follow us on all our social media accounts: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. And we're currently giving away 2 sneakers, the Jordan 1 Low and the Ultraboost 19. Please check the description box down below for the mechanics. Also, please press the thumbs up button down below, subscribe to our channel. And again, my name is Proylan. Until next time.